Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real, official, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or substitutes. And this is Mobile Burgh Unboxing. I am sitting in the passenger seat of the car. There's Kathy. Say hello, Kathy.
Hello, Kathy.
And here we go. Now, you will open the bag on the top, please, for me. On the top there.
Oh. I'm trying to do it without damaging it. All right.
Grown enough for the guy. Whoops. Okay. And here we have can't get it out. All right, we have a book about Dorothy Killgallen, JFK, and the death of Dorothy Killgallen, The Reporter Who Knew Too Much by Mark Shaw. Now, Mark is a friend of mine, and I will be reviewing this book and his other books as I receive them, but I'll have to delay the other two until next month. So, hello, Mark, and we are in contact with each other. He's working on a new book, and I hope he will autograph all the books, and I hope eventually to be interviewing Mark on his books. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay warm, dry, cool, or wet. Hopefully not too wet for you. It's really, really windy out here. We're in Walnut Creek at the Toyota dealer, and you can see the banner waving in the wind. Have a great day, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.